Hello everyone, this is Dr. George of DreamShadowTV. Today we're diving into an essential topic for everyone interested in growing their wealth: investment in the Philippines. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone, including young upstarts, millennials, Generation Z, and even the older generations who've traditionally relied on bank savings. First off, let's talk about why investment is crucial. Did you know that by merely saving your money in the bank, you're potentially losing value due to inflation? That's right. Inflation rates often exceed the interest rates offered by banks, meaning your hard-earned money loses its purchasing power over time. Now, I understand the fear of investing can be daunting. The key to conquering this fear is education. Learning about the different types of risks and starting with a small account can significantly ease your worries. So, how do you start? Opening a small account with an online brokerage is a fantastic first step. For those not ready to pick stocks, mutual funds are a great alternative, offering diversification and managed investments. As you embark on your voyage of investment, it's crucial to pay meticulous attention to every detail. A crucial part of this journey is choosing an online brokerage. In the vast and intricate financial landscape of the Philippines, a myriad of options are at your disposal. Choices encompass the likes of Call Financial, Investograms, and trusted banking organizations like BPI, East West, BDO, and Metrobank, all of which offer online investment platforms. These platforms pave your way to an array of investment opportunities. Each platform boasts characteristics, benefits, and possible drawbacks. As a discerning investor, it is incumbent upon you to weigh up vital aspects such as the platforms, the quality of customer service, the breadth of research capabilities, and the applicable charges. The selection of your online brokerage significantly impacts your investment experience. Hence, it's wise to do your homework, compare the features of each platform, and identify one that aligns with your investment goals and style. This process requires patience to ensure a well thought out decision. Stay tuned for our next video as we dig deeper into these online brokerages, offering a comprehensive comparison designed to assist you in making the best choice for your investment journey. Magsimula ng maaga upang mas malayo ang marating. Start early in investing. The time is right now. We hope that this video has been informative and has sparked your interest in the world of investing, especially in the Philippines. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere, and your journey can begin today. The key is to take that first step, and choosing your online brokerage is a significant part of that process. If you found this video helpful, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. We have more videos on investing, business, entrepreneurship, and mindfulness coming your way. Finally, we want to remind you of the importance of starting early in investing. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. That's the magic of compound interest for you. Goodbye and see you again.